All right, third graders, this is my take 2, so be patient with me. This is journal page 57. Please make sure you are done with page 57 before you are watching this video because I'm going to go fast and I want you to make sure that you're trying this yourself and growing your brain. In the unit here, you can put anything. I'll put cats, you can put dogs, gray hairs, boats, whatever you want to count. All right, let's add. When you add, what makes sense is to make tens. 9 plus this one gives us 10. 10 plus another 10 gives us 20. 20 plus 20 is 40, 42. All right, check your paper. Let's make another 10. 7 plus 3 gives me 10. 20, 30, 40, 46. See how I'm making tens? Look at this one. How can you make a 10? 6 plus 4 gives me 10. Plus 20 gives me 30, 39. All right. I know my handwriting isn't very good because I'm using the mouse to write. All right, enter and change to. First, I tell kids always go through and highlight which ones have changed, okay? Which ones have changed? Look at here, the tens place changed, okay? Here, it was the hundreds place that changed. Here again, it was the hundreds place that changed. That tells us this was the, oh, nope, it was the thousands place that changed. That way, we know this one's going to have 1 0 because it was in the tens. This one's going to have 2 zeros because it's in the hundreds. This one's going to have 2 zeros in the answer because it was in the hundreds. And this one's going to have 3 zeros because it's in the thousands. Okay, so let's do these ones and see what it looks like. How do I get from a 4 to a 9? I add. How many do you add? Count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You add 5. So our answer here is 50. All right, here, go from 400 to 900. Same, 4 to 9. Instead of being 50, though, this one is adding 500 because we were in the 100 spot when it changed. Look here, we go from an 8 down to a 2. That's minus. What do you subtract? Count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. 600 because it was in the hundreds. All right, now you go from a 1 to a 5. That's adding. How many do you have to add to 1 to get up to 5? Yes, you just have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. So our answer is 4,000. All right, let's move on here. I put these numbers in order for you, so check your own. Look at it goes from 1006 to 60 to 1600 and all the way to 6000. Those are from order from smallest to largest. All right, let's look here. Make a ballpark estimate and write your number model here. All right, let's see here. 148 is close to 150. 45 is closer to 50. All right, 50 plus 50 gives me 100, plus 100 more gives me 200. Your ballpark estimate might look a little different. You could have gone to 100 plus 50 and got 150. Then right here, make sure you decide what your unit is going to be. I'll make it dogs. All right, now we are going to, it says, solve using the counting up method. Show your work. If you don't want to use the counting up method, I'm not very good at it yet. Good growth mindset. But I do try to practice it. Let's see here. I'm going to put cars in my unit. And then here, I'm just going to instead just subtract. Okay, I'm okay with you just subtracting. So more on the floor. Go next door. You get your 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, if you were using the counting up method, you would go 14. How many would you add to 14 to get to 20? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You would add 6. Okay, so 6 would be counting up. We get to 20. Now we go to 40. We would add 20. And then 42, we'd add another 2. So you would get 6, 7, 8, 28. Same answer as here, just a different way to get the answer. Circle the event that is unlikely to happen. Unlikely means it's not going to happen. And so if you read through those, if you toss a coin 20 times, it will always land on heads. That's very unlikely, but let's see here. If you toss a coin 20 times, it will land on heads, and some of the times. That's likely. So this one is the one that's unlikely. It's unlikely that it would happen 20 times. All right, practice your math facts today.